there, don't be taking it out. However it turns out, with wood chips in it to keep these warm while I move them. This is a dud that didn't work.
He said this is an angry hive, so let's see what happens here.
And what makes an angry hive?
This, where does that come from?
Trying to attack it?
This is the entrance. The queen makes him angry, but I'm not sure what
that
actually
he made,
makes
and since he's taking
That's why he gave
them away from their food, you have to feed them. It's not like my GoPro. He's just attacking my.
That's the way these guys are.
Yeah.